How to add your Instagram link to your TikTok profile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your Instagram to your TikTok profile easy and fast. So first thing we do, we go to TikTok. This is the homepage as you can see. Now if you want to add your Instagram here, just click on edit profile and it will take you to this page. You will find a lot of options here, but you have to go down and click on add Instagram to your profile, and everything will be done easy and fast. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.